Yahoo! It is snowing, 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 snowing. Yahoo!
So, did you see Horrid Henry on TV? He looks like he's having fun with his brother named Peter. But they're not going to stay out there for too long, because there is a temperature of -50 degrees. Can you believe that? Siberian Huskies will get cold fast and want to go inside.
Well, have fun, Horrid Henry. And now I'm going to play the game. EA3. I just died again. Why am I so bad at that game? Yeah, I won the game. I won the game, I won the game, I won the game, yeah.
We got some breaking news. Unfortunately, there is an ice storm coming, with temperature very cold up to -60 degrees. This is going to be bad. I will see you guys on another side, which is heaven.
Holy farty pants, 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 pants. Oh no. A very strong storm is coming. I am shivering. No, so. Mom, can you come upstairs please? I am scared.
What is it, my little angel?
A powerful ice storm is coming. I am very scared now. Wah!
It's okay, my little angel. It's okay.